From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Chris Long, a student meteorologist here for the Penn State Campus Weather Service. Taking a look at our Friday morning forecast for this week, we'll start with our weather headlines, and we do have a major winter storm on the way for central Pennsylvania. We'll have dry weather today, and then that major winter storm will begin midday on Saturday, and we will have heavy snow Saturday night and into Sunday morning. We'll take a live look out at the Penn State golf courses this morning. We do have some snow on the ground. We had a little bit of a system move through last night, giving us about an inch of snow here in State College. This morning we're waking up to temperatures around 27 degrees here in State College. We're actually reporting some snowfall right now, which is making the visibility fairly low at 3 miles this morning. So the snow that came through last night isn't all done, but it will be done fairly soon, and we don't have much in the way of wind, making it actually feel like 27 this morning. Here's our temperatures across the region. We're sitting at 27 here in State College, 29 in Altoona, 29 in Johnstown, 34 in Indiana, 28 in Harrisburg. So for the most part, upper 20s this morning. We see 30 degrees in Philadelphia as we take a look at the entire state, and 33 degrees in Pittsburgh. Here's our satellite and radar as we begin the morning this morning. We can see here is that system that gave us about an inch of snow last night here in State College. We can see there's still a little bit of snow to make its way through State College still, which is why we're getting some snowfall reports this morning. But for the most part, the snow in the state is going to be north of I-80 this morning. So those northern counties in Pennsylvania and then southern counties in New York are getting the bulk of the snow this morning. But we're staying mostly of the light and moderate variety. Now, as we take a look at our next storm system on the horizon, we got to go all the way out to the northern plains. Here we go. Take a look at this swirly here in South Dakota, affecting areas of South Dakota, western Minnesota, and even southern North Dakota this morning. This system will be on its way east, and by the time we get to Sunday mid-afternoon, it will be giving us some snow here in central Pennsylvania. So here's our future weather. For today, we'll stay mostly cloudy. At noon, we have cloudy skies across almost the entire part of the state. It will stay pretty cloudy throughout the rest of the day, with maybe some clearing by evening hours tonight here in State College, staying cloudy on the ridges to the west and east of us in State College. Then overnight Friday into Saturday, we're staying pretty much status quo, maybe even the sun when we wake up tomorrow morning here in State College, but we'll have mostly cloudy skies, especially to the north. And then here comes the big system. By 3 p.m. here on Saturday, we are starting to snow here in State College, and we're really not going to move back. But take a look at the snow to the west of us. By 3 p.m., it's already snowing in Pittsburgh, Franklin, Erie, Bradford. And as we put this into further motion, here comes the snow for almost the entire state. By 9:30 p.m. tonight, we have snow in State College, snow in Harrisburg, snow in Williamsport, and then overnight Saturday into Sunday, that snow will continue. But here's where it gets really interesting. So this is one particular model run of this system. And take a look at this. By 5:30 a.m., see these lighter colors here across south central Pennsylvania? That's not indicative of snow. That's actually indicative of some rain, snow, and sleet mix. And that could get a little messy, which is why I think we're going to get a little bit less snowfall for Harrisburg and areas south of State College than we are to the north. By the time we get to the back end of this system, the temperatures will be dropping out, and we'll have a look at that in the 7-day. But we will certainly finish this system with mostly snow for us here in central Pennsylvania. But it will be interesting to see how much of a mix we get around Harrisburg and areas south of there. So here's our official CWS snowfall forecast for the storm. We can see for State College, we're predicting 10 to 14 inches, but you don't have to go much further south than that to have less snowfall prediction, and that's because we think there's going to definitely be some mixing, especially, as I said, near Harrisburg. We're predicting 3 to 6 inches for Harrisburg. Further to the west, though, take a look at this snowfall gradient that we're predicting. Pittsburgh, we have in the 6 to 10 inch range, but you're really not even that far from where we have a trace to 1 inch forecast. And up in Franklin, we're predicting 10 to 14 inches. And for our friends to the east in Philadelphia, again, another tight gradient, maybe 1 to 2 inches in Philadelphia, but you don't have to go much further north, even to Allentown, to see the 3 to 6 inch. And that's mostly because of the mixing that we're expecting early Sunday morning. For today in State College, we'll have mostly cloudy skies with a high of 37, maybe a few scattered flurries, especially this morning. Overnight tonight in State College, it'll be pretty chilly with a low near 23, mostly cloudy skies. I don't think we'll have any snow tonight. But then tomorrow is, of course, when the actual snowmaker begins. Around mid-afternoon here in State College, we have a high of 29 degrees for tomorrow. Here's our 7-day forecast from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. And as I said, after this storm moves through, take a look at how cold it's going to be. And these are Fahrenheit temperatures, not Celsius. We're going to be getting down into the negatives Sunday into Monday. For Monday, our high temperature on MLK Day, only 10 degrees. That is really chilly. And then even overnight, Monday into Tuesday, our low temperature is -7, but that doesn't even include the wind chill, which will make it feel like -20 to -25. So it'll be very cold out for your Martin Luther King Day celebrations. For Tuesday, I guess we'll warm up into the mid-20s, if you will. Partly sunny skies expected on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we actually have another system on the way that could give us some more wintry precipitation, although we'll have slightly warmer temperatures for that one, giving us a chance for some rain-snow mix. And then Thursday will stay mostly cloudy with a high near 29. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Chris Long. Have a great Friday, everybody.